Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Cassiter here, and today we're gonna do a unboxing from Elite Tattoo. They send me a couple of different sizes of needles for me to try out and to review. I'm gonna give my very honest opinion about it. I've never tried these needles before. The reason why I said yes, it's because I've heard very good things about it, and yeah. So yeah, very excited to start opening this box. If you guys like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe my channel and just like the video as well. There we go. Let's see what's inside of here. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. Yeah, so they send me all the sizes I kind of use the most, which is really nice. Let's see this baddies. Okay, as you can see, these are the INFINI line. I don't know if they pronounce it right. This is nice size. The box fit nice in my station. Let's open. These ones are bug pins. I've got bug pins. Round liners and round shaders and mags as well here. All different sizes. Let's see this. There we go. Let's unbox all of them. And they got me some stickers as well. Thank you so much, Elite Tattoo. Also, just to remind you guys, they sent me this, and this video is also sponsored by them. If you guys want to buy, if you like this video, if you like these needles, if you want to buy these cartridges, there's going to be a link below with a discount code in there, and you guys will get 10% off from it with my discount code, so feel free. They also sent me a t-shirt, which I'm going to put it on now. Thank you so much. Well, now I'm going to just open one of the needles, one of the cartridges, so you guys can see what it looks like, and then I've got a design ready. I'm just going to try out every single size of them, and then just going to give my honest opinion about it. I use the most single needles and 3 liners as well. That will work for you. That's just a single needle. You can see this one here. They don't have the, if I'm right, they don't have the sizes on them. I think that's the only minus. I'm gonna open another one, but I'm not sure. Let me see. We try open this 5 liner. So these are 5 liner, but they have a different number on them, so just be careful when you tattooing which needle are you using. Organize it yourself, because they don't have the number, the size of them in there, in here. So I think that's the only minus at the moment, but you know, it just looks like a normal cartridge. And yeah, let's try every single needle. I'm gonna get everything ready now, and yeah. Yeah guys, and that was it. I really enjoy trying these needles. I'm really happy with them. I want to thank Elite Tattoo once again for sponsoring this video and for sending me all this stuff. And yeah, if you guys check out once again on the website, the link is going to be in the description below. Will be a discount code as well. And yeah, they are very budget friendly. They're already like good reasonable price for what they are, but you you can get 10% discount with my code. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and yeah, peace.